All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I had some concerns about the, some of you guys had some concerns about the Best Buy version that they're selling with $800 off. And if it's in fact really an unlocked Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and it is. So currently I'm using it on AT&T. I was using it on T-Mobile, but I switched it to AT&T for the purpose of this video, and then I'm going to switch it back. The phone reboots and everything, but it's on AT&T. Let me go ahead and do a speed test here. All right, there you go. You can see AT&T right there. Let me zoom for you just to show you. There you go. You can see AT&T. So that's the device right there. You'll see the speeds that I'm getting on AT&T. Speeds on AT&T are decent with this phone, but we'll go ahead and show you here that it is in fact unlocked. And then I can also grab a Verizon card, because some of you guys might be concerned about that. I'm just grabbing a US mobile version here because they run on Verizon's network. So this will show you that it is in fact able to run on Verizon's network. There you go, US mobile. And so AT&T is working here. And we're going to go ahead and put in the T-Mobile. I'll put in the Verizon network next, which is the US mobile. And so we'll pop it out here. And I'll put there's AT&T, as you can see right there. Now let's put in the US mobile, and the phone will reconfigure itself. That's the only thing I don't like about having the Samsung phones. They have to reconfigure every time you take a SIM card out. It's gonna see here, it's gonna be like, oh, we gotta restart. Okay, here we go. So it's gonna restart, and then it's going to program the phone for Verizon, and then I will show you that. Gonna go ahead and put my AT&T SIM card back into the phone I had it in, which is my Pixel 6. I love tech, man. I love being able to use all these different devices. I'm telling you, it's fun. Expensive hobby, but fun. If you're fortunate enough to get some things, sent to you without paying for the product, that's where you want your channel to be. You want to get to the point where you don't have to pay. That should be your ultimate goal. Okay, so you can see I'm back on my 5G for AT&T on my Pixel 6 is where I normally use that. And now I've got the Verizon network loaded up. So let's go ahead and unlock it here. All right, so it'll configure. It's weird. It says LTE for Verizon network for some reason, but let me go into my network settings here and make sure everything pulled over. LTE Plus is what it's showing. That's weird. Let's see here. Automatic network, access point. Yeah, Verizon. There we go. So it's all set up for Verizon. So that's good. And let's just run a speed test. I know that says LTE Plus, but it's weird because that SIM card pulled 5G in my Pixel 6, on Pixel 5a 5G, where I normally have it. So let's just show you. The point is to show you that it's on the Verizon network. There you go. And it could be that it's just because it's a US mobile and not an official, but this is US Mobile's warp speed SIM card. So I'm kind of surprised that it's not pulling in 5G on this one. Maybe I need to change some of the settings or something like that to put in Verizon's 5G network APNs. But nonetheless, I'm just showing you here for the purpose of this video that this is in fact an unlocked device. Yeah, I'll probably need to update the settings on the APN for it to work with the Verizon network. It pulled in Verizon's network, but for some reason it's pulling in their LTE Plus or whatever. But nonetheless, you get the gist of it. It is on there. Wow, they got ads and stuff on there. So there's Verizon. That's so strange. That's pulling in LTE Plus, and it doesn't do that with my Pixel 5a 5G. That is strange. Now let's go ahead and pop my T-Mobile SIM card in here. This is T-Mobile. And put this back in here. This is my primary SIM card. And the system will reboot. It'll tell me, hey Jay, we got to start the system over. I'm going to put this US Mobile back into my Pixel 5a 5G. And it's pretty strange that It's not pulling in. I'm pretty sure it's just the APN settings. But yeah, I got that back in here. So I'll power it on and show you that it actually pulls in 5G. Yep. We'll boot up and it will start itself up and we'll be good to go. Yes, sir. Yeah, but some people had some concerns about this officially being an unlocked device. Is it really unlocked? And I'm thinking, yeah, of course it is. That's kind of strange. I don't think Best Buy would lie to you about it. So I've got my US mobile SIM card back in here. And there it is, 5G for Verizon. It's kind of strange that on this device, it didn't pick up the 5G right away. So it's going to find the T-Mobile network. Let me unlock here. And it'll pick up, there it is, 5G for T-Mobile. And let's go ahead and open up here. And we'll go ahead and do a speed test. We'll let this settle in and we'll do a speed test here. And, you know, I don't mind doing a video just to show people that, you know, something is what it is. But in fact, this is in fact an unlocked device. T-Mobile 5G right here running on the Z Fold 3. There it is. So these are officially unlocked phones, man. I don't know why a person would think otherwise. Obviously, T-Mobile is the fastest network. Their network is really fast, and I don't think you'll have a problem with any of the networks. And to be fair, that Verizon 5G network SIM card, that is a US mobile running on Verizon network. So, but I think when I put it, I would just need to have adjusted those APN settings in here to get it flowing for you. So there you have it, folks. These are officially unlocked devices, so you don't have anything to worry about. I think those that are nervous about doing it that way, I can't stress it enough. Get this deal while you can. It's just that simple. You're saving $800, folks. There's a ton of people that have already purchased. You guys are commenting saying, hey, Jay, I purchased. Thanks for the tip. I haven't heard any issues with those people, and I don't know what carriers they're all on, but I know for a fact none of them are complaining about the phones not working for them. So these phones work on all carriers from what I can tell. Cricket, AT&T, you name it, it's going to work on there. So I tried 3 carriers in this video for you: the Verizon network, the AT&T network, and the T-Mobile network, and all of them work flawlessly for you. So if you are skeptical about it, don't be. You're talking to your man Jay. I would never steer you wrong just to try to get you to buy something just because I bought it. That's kind of strange, but there were some people with some concerns saying, are they really unlocked? Or if I put my SIM card in there, because there's this thing called universal unlock. And I did a video on that back in the day. And ultimately what that is once you put a SIM card in a device, it locks to that carrier. Those are the phones that Best Buy used to sell. They used to sell universal iPhones back in the day, and they would lock to the carrier once you put it in there. And even Apple stores sometimes, if you try to buy if you just want a discount on a phone and you buy a carrier version of it through like Samsung or Apple, sometimes I think those are pretty much those are universal locks on there. So basically it may come to you unlocked, but once you put your SIM card in there, it locks to your carrier, whatever carrier you started with initially. So these phones though, unlocked officially from Samsung. On the box, I will say, check this out. I can show you here, it doesn't say unlocked by Samsung on this box. This is the way it comes from Best Buy. So I'm thinking, you know, maybe Best Buy just gets a generic box or something like that or whatever. I don't know, but I was looking for it to say unlocked by Samsung on the back here. And even I was like, whoa, I hope this isn't universally locked, but it is not. These are officially unlocked devices from Samsung, but the Best Buy boxes don't say unlocked from Samsung on here. So don't worry, you are fine. You've got officially one of the hottest devices out, if I might add, and it is totally worth $1,000 outright if you don't want to use a trade or anything, or you don't have one. So, man, Jay, links are down below. The sale is still going on at the recording of this video, so wanted to make this video just to help you guys out some more and confirming your decision if you're on the fence, because there's a lot of people on the fence and they are kind of skeptical about like, I just don't think I should. But I'm here to tell you, you can go ahead and do it. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.